Hi peeps, this is Ozzy, and it's raining again. I don't know if it's heavy rain or not. And yes, the noise over there's the heater over there, so if it's a bit blurry. And I think I can hear like drips from over there for some reason, I don't know. But it's all good. And earlier I went to a party. Unfortunately I didn't take any pictures because I was charging my phone. It's also a good time. And even though, yeah, has been raining all night, even when I was watching TV, and sometimes I keep seeing drips on the, inside my caravan. I don't even know why, but it's just the insides of my caravan. This is my TV, bottles. Don't ask why I got those bottles left behind and stuff. And yeah. And yeah, sometimes I can be a mess at times. And yeah. And even though I haven't done any recent video, well, I did a recent video yesterday, but for some reason the comments keep on disabling. I have to redo it. Like, I don't know why, but it's really strange. I hope YouTube doesn't do that again, because I have to redo it, which is really weird. I don't get why it does it. So, yeah. And, yeah. And even though I feel like I gotta go now, so hopefully anyone can like, subscribe, etc. And it's Ozzy over and out.